I actually should have thought about how boring it is in here. Oh, look, it's me. Hey, baby. What do I do in here? I have a few carpets. There's nothing to do. Is that a crack? What's back here? It's so actually really boring. It looks like dog noses, aliens. If you look in the, I'm accidentally seeing me again. Hey, baby. What do I do? What? Why is there two of me? It is actually really boring in here. Seriously, what's back here? I want to see. I can't find anything. I'm just gonna go to bed. So boring. But I love it. It's really cozy.